wild goose chase. The goose turned up.
Who, Archer? Where is she?
Squatting in one of the white light depots. Forget about her and get back here. We've got work to do.
I'm Oscar Mike. Just out of curiosity, which depot?
I'll send you the report. Now move your ass.
Roger that.
I got Dr. Archer. She's in one of Gentek's white light facilities. I'm on my way to her now.
Good. Maybe we'll finally work out what she and Mercer did to the white light.
We better. Archer's gotta be inside somewhere. Need to find a way in. Bad day to work late, asshole.
Okay, Athena tapped into the security cameras.
I see that. This is good. Real good.
That's her, James, in the secure room at the back. Athena says the door's DNA locked to Archer herself. I don't think you can get in there.
Then I'll have to get her out. Those tanks are filled with toxic gas. If I bust them open, she'll come running.
Stand back. I said back the fuck off.
Teams, this is Dr. Archer. James Heller is in the compound.
So much for my cover.
This facility has experienced a chemical breach. Containment protocols are in effect.
Red Crown, this is Viper 4. Be advised we have a toxic chemical leak here. Hostiles on the premises and the facility is on full lockdown. Request orders, over.
Copy, Viper 4. A team has been dispatched to neutralize Heller. Maintain your post. Over.
Now, come on!
It was a mistake to come here.
Think you're better than we are, don't you? You're nothing, Heller. You're less than nothing. Pay close attention, Heller. You're about to learn your last lesson.
The fuck?
They're tearing you apart! I can always call more of my pets if I need to. There's plenty more where that came from. Surprise, you son of a bitch! Pathetic! You're like a chew toy to them. That's right, my puppies. Kill him! Kill him and eat him! Well, if you want a job done right, you son of a... You're too late, Heller. My job is already done.
Handle that sample with care, Jenkins. It's more valuable than you are.
Dr. Archer, is it true? The culture you're injecting into the white light, it was taken from Alex Mercer himself.
Indeed. And that's why you will treat it with reverence. Or suffer the consequences.
Colonel, we've got him trapped. What are your orders? Take him down. Oh,
Oh shit, Heller's still alive, and it's like he's controlling the infected.
Checkmate, this is Catapult 4-1. We are fully engaged with Tango Primary. Over.
Roger that, 4-1. Do not let Heller escape.
Hungry little fuckers, ain't you? Sicko!